don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so today we took the forms that we'd poured 2 days ago, or was it yesterday? I don't remember. And backfilled the center of it with crushed rock and just some big rocks that were around here. And I just got done bending the rebars down. We'll reset them a little bit better tomorrow. Tomorrow we plan on filling the top of it with cement up to the forms, and then this will be ready to build on.
How much is that weigh? 92 pounds.
Ooh. That's a lot for 61 years. We're on day 33 of our countdown to being homeless, so we've got 32 days left after today to get all of this done. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.